Hello, I hope you're doing fine. This is the second part of the K-pop Demon Hunter their piece crochet hat. I have to do it in different parts because the video was so long. It was gonna take forever to upload, and I guess it's better to have it in part, and that way it's yours. Doing a part, then you can just concentrate in that part and then do the other one later. So in this part we're gonna be doing the stripes, and the other one we're gonna do the ears, so, and the eyes too, but that's gonna be in different part. For this part we're gonna just do these stripes around here on the top that you see here, and also the black borders around the mouth and the eyes too. And later we're gonna do the eyes and the nose and the ears, but it's gonna be uploaded very soon. Okay, so be on the lookout for that. Remember, I'm gonna put it on a playlist so it's be easier to access. And sorry, I'm just narrating over a voiceover in this video, so I didn't want to do a whole recording of me talking about it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a playlist. Just check the playlist. I'm also gonna try to leave the link below these videos and the other videos down below, so you can also have access to all the videos in this whole project. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Also, it would be nice you guys helping each other, because sometimes it do take some time answering the questions, so I'm very sorry for that, but I'll try to do better on that. So anyways, without taking more of your time, let's get started. So we're gonna start doing the embroidery. So here I start with the little stripes or dots actually that he has in his forehead. I have this, but this is not how I was trying out how to do the nose, but that's not how I'm gonna do it. But then we're gonna do this and then the stripes on the eyes and the other parts, but I'll be back with you in a little bit. Okay, so this is how much yarn there is in here, and this is how much is left after we finish this. So yes, you can probably do maybe the ears with this. So now that's the last thing I think we need to do for the hat in this color. So let's hope we have enough for the ears. Third thing we need is this plastic needle, and now we're gonna do this. So what I do is I go through the bag. I already decided that I wanted to do it in these stitches like are in the middle of this, and I'm gonna start below the line on the next one. So the needle will go through here, go like this, and then I'm gonna go below the where the line is. We just go like this. Okay, so now we go through here and do another line on the other side and go like that. And now we're gonna do an X, right? The first X I did it, I can do from here, there to there, and to this side here. And I don't know, I may do the stripes like that thick because I like the thickness. Sorry, there. And then the other one will be here and here, and that's how I did the other ones, and that's it. And this is how it looks. And now I kind of want to do this stripe here. I don't know if just to do two parallel lines or make it this thickness. It will look nicer at this thickness, but we'll see how it looks. Okay, so let's get that done and see where we're gonna start. But first I need to look at the drawing again. Okay, so I look at the picture. Ignore this, that's not how we're gonna do it. It shows that this stripe that goes around the eye is a little bit higher than this, so we're gonna just do it maybe here and see how it goes. I wish this was blue here. I don't know, I can just do like this. Yeah, we'll see. Okay, maybe I can start like that, covering here, and then just go over it so it'd be more like a pattern. So you can get this out right now because it's gonna be in the way, like the little you can just cut it off if you want to. Get it out. Now we're gonna start here a little tiny bit above, and at this point let's see how it goes. I don't know, I may do excess. Let's see. Leave a tail, then let's do here. We want to try to do little excess. Oh my god. Okay, we're kind of gonna do the same thing, but it's gonna be inside here, and then again like this. I don't know if you can hear, but our dog Jassy, ooh, don't leave it like this, okay, because then it will come out. Okay, and here is the last one in here. I should have went over the thing in here. Oh no, I think it's okay because the bottom one we do it like that. Okay, so we do this, and I don't know if I can just do the same thing in here. Oh, wrong side. Then do like another one here like this, then go like this. Maybe I will speed up the audio. Go like this, and this, like that, like this, and here. I should have covered this. Maybe I'll do it again off camera. Okay, so I'll be back with you after I have to redo this. So we can, oh, it's gonna look like he's mad. I literally gonna do excess in here. I should have done this one's blue, but I'm not gonna undo that. But if you have the time, you can have this in blue. I'm gonna just do excess in blue and then do the black in here. I'll be back and show you what I did. Okay, so let me get this out here real quick. Here you notice, and I already filled out these three, 1, 2, 3, kind of the same way I did this, which are these here, like 1, 2, and 3. So I kind of fill these 3, and then on this one here I put a black one, and now I'm gonna put a black one on this stitch in here all the way to, let me see, go here all the way to here, and then we go to that one right there, and then keep going next to it until we reach this one right here. Okay, so I'm gonna keep doing this here the same way we did these ones here, and go like that to create the stripes, and then we do the same, but we just go up one line. So I'm gonna finish this. I may go ahead and finish the other ones without recording, and in that way I'm just gonna show you, because you already know how to do the process. I may also do I did try another design. I may also try to do this over here. I kind of wanted to do that little circle thing, but I'm not sure. I may do this with the darker yarn, because I don't like the light one that much. I'm not sure, but if I do, I'll just show you on video after I'm done. Okay, so far this is what I got, and here you can see the spots where I gonna where I did the stitches, and now you're gonna do the same in the other eyes. Okay, so I finished doing the 3 stripes at each side and the 3 dots here. Over here I just did just an elongated one. It looks okay, you know, it's supposed to be fur, so it's okay that a little bit of blue showed through, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. So, but I think it looks pretty cool. Now we're gonna do the black around the eyes. I may do slip stitch, and then for the black around the mouth I may do a single crochet. So let's get that going, and I get you started with the slip stitch. I think slip stitch would look better here because I don't want to take that much away from the size of the eye, so I will do a slip stitch. And so here is the yarn. We're gonna start here. We're gonna work on the outside loop here, like the loop that is in here. So let's just go like this. Oops. Hold it like this, grab the loop, and now I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna start doing slip stitch, just slip stitch here at the top, just slip stitch here, like just this loop that is here, like at the top, slip stitch, and we keep going like this to make a little line for the eye all the way around, and we just go like this. Okay, and this is how it's looking, like this. In that way it doesn't take so much out of the I don't think, maybe I should have put it on. No, I think that's good. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going like that and make that little line out around the eye. Yeah, I think that would look cool. Yeah, I like it. And we're gonna do the same over here in the mouth, but we're gonna do it with single crochet. But I'll be back with you when I finish it before I start the mouth. Okay, it seems that one of the ones that I did over here, I had done a single crochet, but I fixed it, and make sure you do single crochets in here. So this is how it's looking. Okay, almost done. So here we're in the last and the beginning one, so we just do another single stitch, and it's kind of loose because remember I haven't kind of tightened this out. So yeah, so we just put it like that, do another knot, and then cut it, and we'll go for the next eye. Cut. Okay, yeah, yeah. Oh. I guess you can just tie them both. Yeah, yeah. Let's just tie it, and we're good. There you go. And then hide it. You can tie it again. Okay. More or less, right? It's not that bad. This is how can it looks. We hide this inside here. There, nobody will see it. There you go. So this is how it looks. It looks funny, but it looks cute. Anyway, I may fix that later. Okay, so here's how the eyes look so far. We still need to make the eyeballs, right? But now we're gonna go in here. I don't know why this is like this, but it's okay. I'm gonna start a little bit more to the side, so in that way when I do this stitch it be a little bit closer together. So I'm gonna do my first stitch in here, and I'm gonna work on, yeah, I'm gonna work on this in here. It's just easier. So I'm gonna work on this one here. So we just do a loop, and we're gonna do a chain, which is equivalent to single crochet. Oh, like that. And then we're gonna keep working on there and do a single crochet. Oh, yeah, let's not do that. Okay, we're here. Pull from the wrong part, not this one. What is the other part? This part here. Okay, do a chain, then single crochet on the next one. Let's keep it really tight. Actually, I'm gonna pull two threads in here. Just, I know, actually I'm gonna just put it in here so it be really, bring it closer together. There you go. Okay, there, that's better. I know I look a little bit weird, but, and then we just keep working. When it's single crochet, you will have to do when it's double crochet, you will have to do a single crochet right in the middle of the double crochet, and then one in the beginning, like around here. It could go here, and then one again. Oh, one again kind of in the middle, like that, and then one here somewhere at the top. You can do it here, you can do it here, like that. Doesn't have to be super exact there, so kind of like this. And let's keep going all the way around. Okay, so here almost done. We're gonna do another stitch between the first one and the last one, slip stitch. We go do it here, cut it there. Now whoop, we make a knot. It's better if you do the knot in the back, but it's okay because I did there in the back later. So this is how it looks so far. Oh my god. Here, let me see. It look kind of I'm sorry, I'm moving the whole table. Anyway, so yeah, it looks, I guess, okay, right? Okay, so I know it does look very silly at the moment. That's it for now. I know it kind of look like a stitch, and I don't know, it's gonna look better. Anyway, so for now, this is all. On the next video, we'll be gonna be working on the ears and on the eyes and the teeth and the nose. So we can finish this up, but I didn't want just to keep having a very long video. But anyways, in that way, you can just, like I said in the beginning, you can just refer to the video that you need. I'm gonna make the playlist. You can check on the video description below for those links too that I'm gonna be adding it to, and also do timestamp. I don't think there's gonna be that much timestamp for this video. Maybe you know already because there's not that many parts, but yes, I will try to put it anyways. But anyways, so watch out for the next video, and give me a like. That will help me too, so I'll be very thankful for that. And just subscribe so you know, and put the notification so you know when I upload the next video. So thank you so much for watching, and that's it. Thank you. I'll be till the next video. Ciao.